Now, I'm going to take you on a formal tour, our condensed version of a PUR laminating line. What about this flat laminating line? Why do I say it's condensed? Because it takes up very little space. The total length is more than 20 meters, and a width of 6 meters would be sufficient. In the laminating line, not only can it be laminating with PET, PVC, PETG, all rolls and sheets can be realized on this line. First, enter the gluing machine. Here's one of the more important places that is, the glue should be applied very evenly. Of course, the amount of glue applied is also based on the substrate surface material to determine. The one we're looking at here is a combination workbench. Let's not underestimate this machine. Without this machine, it would be very difficult to realize our sheets. With this machine, it doesn't matter if it's a roll or a sheet. All can be realized on this line. What you see now is the sheet going into the pressing section. The film we use is a solid color PET skin film. Although it is said to be a condensed version of a flat sticker line, but we've got all the automation we need. Like this tracking we cut off, and automatic trimming. These places are also a big labor saver for customers. The effect of our line. How the hell did it come out? Please move over here and look at the details of the. Look at the leveling of the layout is very good. The hand feel is also very great, flat and silky. All the effects are perfectly reflected.